Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 5 different face masks using a bandana. I will be using 2 elastic as well. For this one, I'm going to be using both of my elastic. I'm going to take my bandana and I'm going to fold that in half. I'm going to smooth out the edges and fold it in half again. Once that is done, I'll take my elastic and I will put it over one of the ends of the bandana. I will then repeat the same process to the next end of the bandana. I just slide my elastic over that. Then I'm going to fold the end of the bandana inwards. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other end of the bandana. Now this will give you an extra coverage when it comes to how much you will be able to filter out. This is what it looks like when it's done. For the next one, I'm going to be folding my bandana into a triangular shape. And I'm going to be folding from the bottom edge. So I do one big fold and then I roll going up to a point. The little edge that is created, I'm going to be folding that up as well. Now the aim here is to carry up the edges, both edges of the other 2 sections of the triangle. Now this section I'm going to be binding with the elastic, and these are the sections that I'm going to be using to tie around my neck. So I use the elastic to bind that together, and I'm going to repeat the step to the next side. So I fold and then roll up to a point that I am able to get the elastic on. And like I said, the elastic will just be binding to make the particular style keep its shape. So once that is done, you can go on ahead and you can adjust the elastic. You can take it down to have something that will more or less fit the shape of your face. Now this particular style, this section goes around your nose, so you can spin that around, and then the bottom section that goes underneath your chin. The edge, the 2 little edges here, that's what you're going to be tying around your neck. This is what it looks like once it's done. For the next one, I'm also going to be folding it into a triangular shape, and I'm using my elastic as well. So I first fold into a triangular shape, I smooth out the edges. And now I'm going to start. I take the tip and I take it all the way up to where I make my fold. And I fold it again. Now, when you're folding all the little folds that you make, it's all about getting an extra layer of protection. So when you are breathing in, it helps to filter out more stuff. And that area is where your nose is gonna go. So I'll take my elastic and I'm gonna bind both sides. Now the whole point of using the elastic is just to keep everything together. So even if you remove it from off of your nose, the folds, you'll still be able to keep the folds. They won't go all over the place. So you adjust that, and this is what it looks like. So your nose go that section, those areas tie. You can adjust it as well to fit your face. This is what it looks like once it's done. For the next one, I'm going to go on ahead and fold into a triangular shape. I'm not going to be using any elastic for this one. So you fold into a triangular shape, you go on ahead and start folding from the top down. You smooth out and then you go on ahead and make another fold. Now these folds that you do, they're just to create an extra layer so you have more to help you filter out. Now you just go on ahead and you tie that around your neck using both of the ends. This is what it looks like once it's done. For this one, I fold into a triangular shape. Once again, I smooth out my edges and I turn that around. Now for this one creates more of a little 3D effect. So you're gonna be folding, going straight down to where you had folded in half to get the triangular shape. You're gonna now form a new triangle. Now this triangle, this is going to be where the little extra layer of protection will be. I'm gonna be using my elastic, and what I will do, I'm gonna put a little pressure on the tip and then I'm gonna fold that. Now the aim of this is to kind of get the fold to form a little bit more into the middle of the bandana. So you tie, we're gonna be making the tie or making the elastic fall. You try to get it around in the middle and then you loop the elastic around. Now you can see how it kind of pushes out and creates more of a little 3D effect. You guys can see how that looks. And you guys can also adjust this down more to fit your face as well. You're gonna be using both of the little edges to tie around your neck. This is what it looks like once it's done. Thank you guys very much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.